Well, it looks like electrical day today. To get the solar panel hooked up. Get everything plugged into the box. Clean up a bit of the wiring. Starting to take shape. So we have the Anderson soldered up. That's for the thumper. I've just got the Anderson nearly ready to go on for the solar, just cooling down. And we'll get this little strip light put in. Just going to run the compressor off the main power at the moment till I plug it in the battery box. Just going to make sure everything's hooked up and wired up properly. Perfect.